Hi everyone. Is your USB hard drive lagging, taking too long to copy files, or showing slow read-write speed? So in this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to boost your external hard drive speed. So let's get started. In the first step, search for defragment and click on defragment and optimize drives. From here, select your external hard drive and click on analyze. Once the analysis is done, click on optimize. In the next step, go to the properties of your external hard drive. Then go to tools and under error checking, click on check and click on scan drive and wait for the scanning process to finish. If there are any errors on the drive, it will get rectified. In the next method, we'll be using a tool. So simply open your browser and search for AOMA Partition Assistant. From the search results, go to the first web page. From here, download the free version of the tool and install it. So once you install it, simply locate your external hard drive from the dashboard, right click over it and click on Format Partition. Now you can rename the partition from here. Choose the file system type and click on OK. In the top left hand corner, click on Apply and then click on Proceed. So before you proceed further, make sure you have taken a backup of all the contents of the hard drive, as all of your data will get erased, and click on Yes to begin the formatting process. So once the formatting is complete, try to transfer files to your external hard drive now, and this time you will notice improved file transfer speeds. Also make sure the data cable you are using for your external hard drive is perfectly okay. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.